Unveil the power of Qliker's rotators in this tutorial series. Dive into tracking clicks, engagements, sales, and revenue to revolutionize your online tracking experience. Don't forget to pause and experiment with the features for an active learning session. A rotator is a handy tool that empowers you to track and optimize your online presence by leveraging data from tracking links, pixels, cookies, and postbacks by also rotating your rotator links in the background. With Rotator, you can gain valuable insights into your digital strategy, enhancing performance and driving growth across your online platforms. To access your Rotators section and begin your journey, simply click here. Once you click, you will be transported to your very own collection of rotators. Let's take a moment to explore the Rotators page. By default, you will see traffic data from today, but don't worry, you can customize your view by clicking here and selecting any custom range of days. Want to organize your rotators by specific data points? No problem. Just click here to sort them as you wish. For an example, we can sort all the rotators by the number of total clicks by clicking here. If you want to see them descending, click again. Looking for a specific rotator? Use the search field to find it by keyword. Let's search for all the rotators with the word random. Feel like customizing your view even more? Click on View Options to explore additional settings. For example, you can hide cloaking mode by clicking here. Feel free to interact with each feature as we go along. This hands-on approach will help you get the most of our rotators section. Now that you've mastered the basics, leverage Qliker Rotators' capabilities to drive sales and achieve impressive ROIs effortlessly.